Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair video for a fall, I would say curly, kind of like a curly nappy hair, like a messy hair. I don't say nappy, I mean messy hair, curly a little bit. So I'm going to show you because I took out my twists out yesterday, so you'll probably see that. But before we get started, just subscribe and click the bell notification so that I make videos every week. Start thumbs up on this video so you thumbs up on it. And so let's get to the video. First one I'm gonna show y'all. This is the first one y'all probably see is because I think this is a great one that I did myself yesterday. I might have to fix it a little bit because one side looks like it's kind of more on this side. Really nice. It's a messy, like a messy curl. A little bit of it. It like is not. It technically is not. Like I don't got danger in my hair because technically I don't have none. I don't really have no. And when I put it down, it looks really cool because I had my hair up like this, and I put it like that. So let me show you the back of it. The next one, I'm gonna show you the next hairstyle that I think I was doing it early on this side of the window, but it is not good light over there, so that's why I'm gonna sit over here. I had to restart over. Oh wow. Oh Lord. See, this is a messy curly. Curly. So look at my hair kind of getting long, man. It is. And wow, I think this is really good. I need to take a picture of this look. And still got some little curls in like this. And especially especially I could do like this for fall because it's fall, but I probably shouldn't because of the cold weather, and I know it's kind of getting cold right now. It's cloudy, but the sun's out and it's windy outside, so but this lighting is really good. I like this. I know the sun's not on this side, but it's still good lighting. Like some of the twists, well, it's not the twists, but it's the curls of it, and it's the little curls of the hair. Like it was time for me to take it out, but I know it looks kind of. And I probably do like this on the side of how. I know how my hair look. Oh Lord, my hair is right here now. Since I took vitamins, my hair is getting there. I have to fix curly. If your hair is like this, you can do something like this, and you take your twists out. You can and do like that. Sometimes you have to fix the hair. Sometimes I might have to pull it. But this is how it looks like this on this one. You just look for as if you are like my age, or if you like in your 30s, you could do your hair like this. If your hair is like this, or in your 20s, you're a teen, you could do your hair like this. And other side I show you too. If you look like you got a baby face looking, you because I got a baby face looking, so you could like do this look like this. Another look, and I'm not trying to pull my hair. I hope I don't. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh Lord, this came back. Do something like this too. So you keep the curls in. You can loose up the curls. I kind of like sometimes will loosen it up. This is my first time ever doing something like this when I took my twists out. So I think this is like the third hairstyle look for a fall kind of look. And I think I just like leave because my hair's. I think it looks really cool, and I could take it out of my ears and to make it much better. And my hair is getting kind of thick because when I took vitamins, my hair is kind of thick. I've been drinking a lot of water a lot now. I am going to do soon. I'm going to do the rice water challenge too. I'm going to do that too on my hair too. Just pick it out. Well, pick it out with your hand. Better do it with your hand because sometimes it comes out really good when you pick it out with your hand. And in the back is much longer. That's really good. I like it. I did it really good. Great job. Let me know. But yeah. Up too tight. What? I got one here. It's really great if I do like that. Okay, I'm glad that I do my hair like this because I had my hair like this. I had bangs in my own hair, but my hair used to be short a little bit. I had bangs in my hair a long time ago when I was 20, and but I had it cut. But the front part is longer, and I think the back is longer too, just since the last time I had like bangs. But I never had bangs in curls. Okay, man, just walking by. But this one is like the fourth hair look that I have. Some of this up, but not too much because I don't want to pull my hair. Mine's like just be curly and especially for winter. For winter, I'm not gonna have my hair up like this for winter because I know I like to keep my hair braid up and do that. I don't want to have it out just like this. I will put a headband. Where's my headband? Close that up because it just felt weird. I would have my if I don't want it all over my hair, and just kind of put it up a little more. The headband is a little loose, not too tight, because I don't like headbands that's kind of tight on my head. So this is like the fourth one. If y'all enjoyed this video and y'all like me doing some more of hair videos, let me know. I kind of did this really good with the curls. Again, it's trying to get long, but it's taking time with my type of my hair. Because I got type 4. I think my hair is like a type 4B. Type 4B a little bit. It's kind of short, but it's not really short. It's just drawn like an afro curl. Just thumbs up. Like this video. Give me a likes. Give me 10, 20, hundreds of likes. Comment below. And share this video. Please share this to family, friends, on Twitter, Instagram. Forgot, subscribe and click the bell notification, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. So I hope that you enjoy this. I decided to do this because this is like a fall kind of, this is like a messy hair. Messy curl, without when you took the twists out. 4 hairstyles that I did to show y'all that I thought of something that some people ought to be seeing on probably on Pinterest, of these type of hairstyles you see on Pinterest. It's kind of inspired me a little bit, trying to do a lot of hairstyles on this channel a little bit. My mind's just like, oh Lord, especially this weather, it's cloudy, it's just make you feel sleepy. You want to lay in the bed. I don't got no TV in my room, so I gotta go in the living room and watch TV. So my mom is in there, my brother in his room on his phone watching, I think, YouTube. I'm gonna let y'all know that I don't want to tell y'all, but I make videos on Saturdays. Really, I do make videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. I did make video on Monday. I tell you, because if I tell y'all, y'all be like, I thought you gonna make a video on the day, but I don't know. I might explain to y'all one day and tell y'all what days I make videos. I gotta figure out because I'm using an iPad to edit my videos, and sometimes it takes a while for me to think of, because I really do make videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'm trying to think if I should make videos on Mondays. I don't know for sure. I might not. I might just make on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it if this iPad don't be messing, acting up. I might have to sometimes switch out of my iPad to my iPhone, but I don't want to put this in the video. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.